Before we start this video, please like and subscribe and turn on that bell notification every video I post. Hi my lovelies and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? Yeah, I haven't posted for a while. I was taking a break and I had a lot of school to do. Yeah, and I'm back on YouTube right now, hopefully. In today's video, I want to see what people trade my neon cat in Adopt.me. As you can see, I'm in the richest server in Adopt.me. Yeah, let's stop talking and do some trading. Guys, I'm doing a giveaway on this count because I have so much counts to do. If you guys want to enter my giveaway, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that bell notification and share it to your friends. And comment below your username and follow my Instagram and my Discord server, link below, and I'll pick a lucky winner on my next video. Okay, let's stop talking and do this trade. Okay, my pet is kind of sleeping right now. Okay, let's do some trade. Oh, let's trade. Okay, I can't see, this person is blocking my way. Okay, that one too is blocking. Which one should I trade? Whoa, I mean literally the richest server. I'm gonna trade this girl now. Wait, okay, we're gonna trade that person. Today I'm gonna post this video, the one I'm just recording right now. And because tomorrow I have a doctor appointment, I have doctor eyes appointment. My eyes is kind of hurting and am I gonna get classes soon? Yeah, oh my god, what is going on? Okay, I'm gonna trade this person. Oh no, I can't see. Oh my god, there's too much people right. Okay, there. Oh. Yes, I traded that girl. Okay, I'm scrolling my key. No, I was gonna trade it for her. Oh, I was trading. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna trade this girl again because she keep declining my trade. Okay, finally. I want to trade. Okay, she hasn't. She declined it. She has a writable. What I call cow. She declined. I'm gonna trade this person, I think. Okay, someone already traded with me. One neon dog, that's kind of under. I'm sorry, but I'm looking for something like legendary. It's a good trade, but I kind of want something. What's going on? Why is that guy riding a helicopter on my head, on my head? I'm sending a party. I think I knew it. She's declining my request. No one wants to trade me now. Killed. And it's kind of suck. I would love to have like a neon unicorn or maybe like neon stuff. Okay, that goes on my trading quest. I'm making this video short because I don't have time to edit because I'm going to go somewhere today. Yeah, so I have to finish this video, so it's gonna be short. So okay, that alley girl's not trading with me. Put something. Okay, that sucks. It's not putting anything on. Okay, I want someone to trade me. I want to see this person. Emily, I will trade Emily. Okay, Emily, what do you have for me? But is it Emma? Oh yeah, it's Emma. Whoops. Oops, my bad. I call her Emily. My bad. Okay, she declined it. Okay, no one wants to trade me. It's gonna suck. This always happens to me, people. How is that girl has a parrot? I want a parrot. No, I think they're not gonna trade with me because... Oh my god, is he gonna trade with me? I kinda want something. Okay, I'll accept. I'll put my neon cat. Okay, it's not putting on. Okay, there. I'll give him... No! No, I was gonna put something. Oh no, like inflatable unicorn. Service kinda too much. Oh, I kinda want like this girl have what I call kangaroo. No, she's going away. Trade for a parrot for a good neon legs. What? What's a legs? Neon legs. What's a neon legs? I don't know what she's talking about. Sorry, the background noise. The lawn is. Oh, I don't know. Okay. Please, I kind of want to try. Okay, I don't know what was that. No, please. How did that guy do that? He was, oh my god, this is like taking me for a while to okay, no one's trading for me, like, I know. Oh my gosh, I'll accept for neon. I don't know, actually, I'll put it 2. Add. Okay, calm down. Okay, okay, is that good? Okay, you know what? I'll give him my. Okay, I'm gonna say, is that good? Okay, I think that's good. Oh, I spelled good. Whoa. You know what? I'll give all his. Oh my god, I'll give him a flightable. Okay, that's good. Okay, oh no, okay, that's good. And I'll give him which pet? Okay, I'll give him. Okay, I'll give him a koala. And I'll give him. Okay, what I give him? I'll give him my good pet. Which pet should I give him? Okay, you know what? I'll give him that. I have what? Okay, you know what? I'll accept it for him. All that. Oh no, I don't know, guys. I have 3 pets. I think I'll be happy. I don't know. I can't. Guys, should I accept that? Should I accept all that? Oh no, I think that's kind of good trade, but I know I'm have to accept it. Okay, is he gonna accept it? OMG, I just got it. Okay. Oh no. Okay, my screen is glitching. Sorry about that. Oh no, my screen is glitching. Okay, my screen, I mean. Oh my god, guys, I give all my pet away. But at least I have good pet. Wait. Okay, he gave me a flightable one. Okay, at least this is good, but I kinda missed my... Okay, at least this is good, I guess. It's kinda good now. Okay, I might have to end this video because I just traded all my good pet. Okay, 1 second, this person wants to trade me. I just gave away all my good pet. That was so sad. Okay, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and and I'll see you, my lovely, on my next video, because I'm sad right now. I just give away all the pet, the good pet. I don't know why I do that. I thought it was good. Why does this person keep accepting me? Please. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, I might have to end this. Love you, my lovelies, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.